Hey everybody, I'm at Walmart and I saw these Transformers things. What's Inside Edition DZNR collectible designer plush toys. You got Megatron and Bumblebee. Peace through tyranny. And Bumblebee says, I sting like a bee. So they got number 2 and number 3. I don't see any more. I don't see Optimus Prime, which you would think he'd be number 1, right? That's all I see. Anyway, remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King. I have no idea the prices on these things. And have a great, wonderful day. Later.